Happy day, students. Today I am going to deal with 12th standard English, Unit 4, Prose, Lesson 4, The Summit written by Edmund Hillary, Book Back Exercises, Part 2. Dear students, now turn to page 124. We shall see the grammar, that is conditional clauses. Let us recall what you have learned. Okay, there are three types of conditional clauses. Type 1 is known as the open condition or the possible condition, and type 2 is known as the hypothetical or unlikely condition. Type 3 is known as the impossible condition. Okay, now we shall move on to task 1. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks. Okay, A. If I, see here, B verb. If I were a spider, I would weave webs. Okay. B. If Raj were a sculptor, he would make beautiful idols. Or if Raj is a sculptor. See, past tense means where we are using. Suppose you use open condition means if Raj is a sculptor, he will make beautiful idols. It is possible. C. If Mary had an umbrella, she would lend it to me. Okay. D. Rex would have played with me if he had had time. So, since has is there, we have to use had for the had plus verb 3. It is had plus verb 3 means had plus had. Okay, Rex would have played with me if he had had time. E. If I were you, I would accept this offer. So, this is second condition. F. We will select storybooks for kids if we allot time for storytelling. Next, G. The education minister will visit our school tomorrow if he goes by this way. H. You will be rewarded by the wise if you stand for truth. Okay. I. If my mother knows of my poor performance in the exam, she will not allow us to see any movie. Okay. That is true. No. Next. If I had won the lottery, I would have donated relief materials for the flood victims. Okay, now moving on to task 2. Rewrite the following sentences using if without changing the meaning. Okay, so you see the example. Unless you go for a walk, it is negative sentence. Okay, if plus not. Unless you go for a walk regularly, you cannot reduce your weight. They are asking you to use if. If you do not go for a walk regularly, you cannot reduce your weight. A. Sindhu would not have won the world championship unless she had had single-minded devotion. Okay, so Sindhu would not have won the world championship if she had not had single-minded devotion. B. You will not reach your goal unless you chase your dream. So, you will not reach your goal if you do not chase your dream. Remember children, unless comes means you have to use if plus not. See, unless we plant more trees, we cannot save our planet. Okay, if we do not plant more trees, we cannot save our planet. The rescue team, DUC, the rescue team would not have saved the victims unless they had received the call in time. The rescue team would not have saved the victims if they had not received the call in time. E. The palace cannot be kept clean unless we appoint more people. The palace cannot be kept clean if we do not appoint more people. F. The portraits would not have been so natural unless the artist had given his best. The portraits means, pictures. The portraits would not have been so natural if the artist had not given his best. G. The manager would not have selected Nitiksha unless she exhibited good accounting skill. The manager would not have selected Nitiksha if she had not exhibited good accounting skill. H. The policeman would not have arrested the man unless he had violated the rules. The policeman would not have arrested the man if he had not violated the rules. I. Mr. Gunal would not sponsor my higher education unless I studied well. Again, students, Mr. Gunal would not have sponsored my higher education if I had not studied well. Okay, that will be the correct answer. J. Kavin will not stop flying kites unless he understands the risk involved in it. Kavin will not stop flying kites if he does not understand the risk involved in it. Tanya would not know the answer unless she referred to the answer key. Tanya would know the answer if she referred to the answer key. Okay, would is here coming now, so you have to use referred. Tanya would know the answer if she referred to the answer key. Moving on to L. My village cannot achieve 100% literacy rate unless the elders of the village cooperate with the education department. My village cannot achieve 100% literacy rate if the elders of the village do not cooperate with the education department. Okay. So dear students, hope you have understood. We have completed the book back exercises of lesson 4. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.